Alright, got the wheel off the ACR. You may be asking, why is the rear passenger side wheel off the ACR? A couple of days ago I noticed a really strange grease line in the wheel. I cleaned it out and waited to see if it would reoccur, and it did. It turns out that the wheel bearing was overpacked and the excess grease has flung out from the bearing and through the brake rotor. And then that became lightly coated on the edge of the brake pads. Well, I'm hoping I caught it in time. As you know, carbon ceramic rotors are immensely expensive. I'm cleaning everything off with 91% alcohol. I checked the hub. You can definitely see. Let me see if I can get the light on here. I'm gonna go get the flashlight. You can see there's excess grease from the bearing that has flung out. I'm really not thinking much of it right now. I think this is just kind of one of those new car quirks. I'm gonna clean it all off with 91% alcohol, reattach the brake, put the wheel back on, and test. Now here it is, all back together. I have the rotor clean, all the pad surfaces clean. I don't expect any future problems from that. I will keep an eye on that hub bearing to make sure more grease does not come out. If I do get more grease coming out, then that's definitely a sign that the seal is bad. While under here, I did notice, even though I haven't set my ride height for the track yet, I did notice that the lock collars to the Bilstein shock were loose. I mean, it was hand tight. I could literally just take my hand and rotate these locks right here. And I would fully expect those to be very tight from the factory. Once I get my quick jacks in to elevate the entire car off the ground, I'm going to go through, I'm going to check basically every bolt on the chassis. I kind of expected this. This is a hand-built car. No two are exactly alike. You will get a few bolts and nuts here that are loose or things misaligned. That's what I like, though. That was one of the reasons why I purchased this car. I wanted a toy I could tinker with. I certainly don't drive it every day. I don't have to rely on it. If it breaks down on me and I have to put a couple hours of time to tinkering with it, it's all the better for me. I enjoy it.